Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making all your dreams come true? What could I help you with today that could help put your life on a higher level? Can you and me work together and get your next big adventure started? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. Now, here is your quote for today. Stop looking for happiness in the same place that you lost it. If you want to make a change in your life, whatever that may be, where exactly are you looking to try and find that different answer? If you want to change, you're going to need a brand new, fresh approach, a new route to take and try something new and different. Going back to the same old places that you no longer find the happiness and love that you deserve will only continue the bad times that you are already in.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.